When the sun comes out after it rains, we sometimes see a rainbow. Rainbows are beautiful and mysterious. When we draw a rainbow in a simple way, we use stripes of color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. In reality, a rainbow has no stripes. It's a continuum of light, uninterrupted, without borders. There are no lines. The human brain draws these lines, creating the concept of red, of orange, and so on. These concepts allow us to easily communicate with each other. And people in different cultures draw the lines of a rainbow in different places. People who speak Russian draw a line between dark blue and light blue. These colors exist for some people, but not for others. That's because your brain, my brain, and the brains of people all around the world carve the same rainbow into different colors. Brains automatically construct color concepts. All we have to do to make them real is to share them with each other. These concept boundaries determine what you experience as similar and what you experience as different. We don't just draw lines for colors. In our everyday lives, we consider these as fruits and these as vegetables. You might have heard that a tomato is actually a fruit. And that's because to a botanist, a scientist who studies plants, fruits are the edible parts of a plant that carry the seeds. All of these foods are actually fruits. When a botanist is talking to another botanist, she'll refer to all of these as fruits. But when she's cooking dinner for her friends, they become vegetables. Even the concept of food itself is constructed by a culture. Of course, there are limits. Human agreement can't make glass edible, even if you put ketchup on it. But how about grubs? I would call an exterminator if I saw this on my plate in Boston. But if I were in Iquitos, Peru, this might be my lunch. A human brain, in the context of other human brains, creates different concepts in different cultures. Words play an essential role in efficiently constructing concepts. They're like a cheat sheet. They allow us to communicate and share our concepts with each other with little effort. If I say the word flower and you know some English, your brain will spontaneously and automatically start using your past experience with flowers to predict what to do with this plant. When we were young, the people in our lives might have first taught us that this is a flower. We learn rules for when it's appropriate and inappropriate to see a plant as a flower. You put a flower in a vase. You share a flower with someone you like to make them smile. You give a flower to someone who's sad at the loss of a loved one. A flower is a magical part of nature. A weed is a menace. It invades your garden. It ruins your lawn. Weeds are not to be cultivated. They are to be yanked out from the ground by their roots. One person's weed is another person's salad. The same plant can be a flower, a weed, or a salad, all depending on the predictions that your brain creates in different situations. It's a continuum of plant, uninterrupted, without borders. When your brain sees a dandelion, it asks itself, what is this most similar to in my past experience in this sort of a situation? As your brain is automatically making a slew of predictions about what this might be similar to, what it might be like, it's creating a concept.